Hello everybody, so I'm usually not the one who does reviews on things, even if I love the product, but today I decided to do one on these pop-up veneers because it literally gave me back my confidence. And it's simple. Everything to the shipping, to shipping them back, to making the impressions. Very, very easy. 2 days later after you order, you get a box like this. You make your impressions. 2 days later, they'll get them, they'll send them back in about 2 weeks. Get your impressions that you made, your molds, send them back. My teeth were not that great. They give you your teeth. This is what I look like before. My teeth aren't horrible, but I am missing some. It just didn't feel like me. I'll give it to you. Wrong way. Pop on. Simple. The bottom one. Simple. It just gives you back your confidence. You may get a little list, but it's something to get used to. It's very, very worth the money, I'm telling you. Gotta give it a try. I haven't tried eating with them yet, but my sister has. She says it's not too bad, just nothing hard or chewy, but it really gave back my confidence, makes me feel great again. I haven't smiled in a long time. Get you some pop-on veneers, for real.